Welcome to Barkerville Auto and Auto Body Repair. We have all the facilities needed to do your mechanical needs and also auto body. We have a paint shop. We can do anything, any kind of restoration on any kind of vehicle, big or small, don't matter. And we have a nice tow truck to bring you in. Doesn't matter if you're stuck in the weeds or in a wreck. Our trucks can pull you out. Thanks for reviewing my shop, and we'll hopefully we see you soon. Hello there. Welcome to Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, today we got a project and a bit of a story. So anyways, this is my little town site I have built. That's called Barkerville, and we have this nice new facility. It's auto body repair. It's automotive repair, auto body repair, and all this and so forth. So, anyways, we got the old tow truck here, and we dragged this old 1960 Chevy rollback deck from out of the car lot in the back there. And it's been sitting and sitting for years and years, and it's time to do something with it. After going back to the yard and looking at the truck for many years now, we thought that we would drag it out and give it a new life. So the plan is we're going to be taking the old deck off the truck here and converting it back into a pickup truck again. But not a regular pickup truck. We're going to be making it as a 1-ton dual rear axle, dual wheel, and putting a 10-foot box on it. It's an 8-foot box with 2 feet extended on it, and the custom box on it. Anyways, it's just going to be just a regular truck, used a shop truck. So we need one of those. But it's a good old truck still, and just needs some redoing and and so forth. So, and there's a car on the back there, and the old Camaro. We're basically going to redo the fenders on. The fenders are rusted out on it. Put a new motor in it, a new hood, and repaint it, and she's good to go. And some new wheels, of course. The deck will come back on another vehicle at a later date, probably on a bigger truck, and there'll be a few changes done to the deck. So. Anyways, if you have any questions or anything you want to know, you give Barkerville office a call, and we'll be happy to help you and answer any of your questions. Alrighty. The video is brought to you by Barkerville Automotive Repair and Auto Body, and Old Beater Cars Workshop. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on this project, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.